Well, 20 years ago in Midland, Michigan, the doctor said, "Man, we'll go ahead and admit you." And on February 9, much to your joy, you had a big old red-headed boy. About 1 year later, I was getting real old. You said, "Michigan is getting just too darn cold." So we moved to Ohio, you dressed me up as Robin Hood. You and me and Dad were living good. Then we moved to Arizona where the sun shines bright. And you took me to the fair and you took me on a hike. Though I was an older child, you taught me happily how to love my big old extended family. Do, 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 do. In 2008 you married Christopher Halloran, and we became the famously named Halloran Clan. He loved us, so did we, and we were just as happy as three could be. Oh, do, 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 do. Even though I was a major nerd, you told me that I was cool, and you were there for me all the way through high school. From my driver's license to my graduation, then I moved to Provo for my education. Now you're in Irvine, California, but you're not too far away to know that I adore ya. So on this wonderful Mother's Day, know that I love you a whole lot. Do, 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 do. Oh, Happy Mother's Day.